Ever pondered the importance of gut health? Wondered about the different ways it can be restored? Well, it's time to delve into the fascinating world of gut health restoration. First off, let's discuss fecal microbiota transplantation. This involves transferring a healthy donor's fecal sample into the gastrointestinal tract of a patient with a depleted microbiota. The objective? To restore normal gastrointestinal microbiota in patients. The fecal microbiota can be prepared in a lab using various methods, all of which aim to minimize the processing time to ensure the survival of the living bacteria. The transplantation can take place through the upper, middle, or lower gut, with the method chosen depending on the specifics of the case. Next up, bioengineering. Bacteria can be genetically modified to possess desired properties. For example, strains of Escherichia coli have been engineered to express certain genes that can alleviate rare metabolic diseases. In vivo and in situ engineering approaches are now being performed in the host rather than in the laboratory, marking the advent of an era of precision medicine treating the gut microbiota disorders. Finally, let's touch on herbal medicines. These plant-derived materials can be beneficial for gut health. For instance, Rhizoma coptidis, the dried rhizome of a medicinal plant, contains alkaloids that can significantly change the gut microbiota. Another example is persimmon tannin, a type of condensed tannin that can modify the intestinal bacterial microbiota composition. In summary, there are several approaches to restore gut health. Fecal microbiota transplantation aims to restore normal gastrointestinal microbiota. Bioengineering involves genetically modifying bacteria to possess beneficial properties. Herbal medicines, particularly those containing certain alkaloids and tannins, can significantly alter the gut microbiota. Remember, maintaining gut health is essential for overall wellness. So why not explore these approaches and see how they can contribute to a healthier, happier you? The gut health journey may be complex, but it's certainly worth delving into.